surds in brackets. Examples. Simplify 2 root 5 into bracket 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2, then close bracket. Solution. We have 2 root 5 into bracket 3 root 5 minus 2 root 2. Now, for us to simplify this kind of surdic expression, we are going to expand the bracket. And expanding the bracket is the same way we handle algebraic expression dealing with expansion. So in this case, what we have outside here, which is the multiplier, this will form our multiplier, 2 root 5. The multiplier will multiply each term inside the bracket. So for the first one now, this will multiply. We are going to have 2 root 5 multiplying 3 root 5 first. Then minus that same 2 root 5 multiplying the second term. That is, we have 2 root 5 multiplying also 2 root 2. And do not forget, outside number multiply outside number, while inside number multiply inside number. Now, 2 times 3, what are we going to have? 6. And root 5 times root 5 will give us 5. Then minus. Now, looking at the second one, 2 will also multiply 2. And that is what? 4. While the inside bracket, you can see they don't have the same number. Hence, we have root 5 times root 2 will give us 5 times 2 first. What are we having? 10. So that root 5 times root 2 will give us root 10. So in this case, we are now having 6 times 5. That is what? 30. Then minus 4 root 10. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.